This is Mrs. Supriya Wesley from DPS Manna Road, Jabalpur. Guess what? Today what is happening in our school? It's none other than the Career Confluence 2025. Not one, not two, but 24 universities on the board for the first time in Jabalpur, organizing such a mega event for all the students as well the schools who are invited to come to DPS Manna Road to attend this mega fair event. Let me take you to the ride of this session. Come on, let's come. The number of students who've come to DPS Manna Road. Right now you can see number of universities around the corner, with number of universities coming from across the globe, wherein we can see the Pearl Academy, we can see the UPS, we can see Ashoka University, the Chitkara University, the IILM, the ICFA University, and many more.
It's a pleasure to be honored here, and Supriya ma'am and the entire management of the school invited us to interact with a lot of the students, and the students crowd and their questions are really remarkable. Their questions is really good for all the Indian universities. So thank you ma'am, and please invite us again and again. We are happy to come here. Thank you so much.
Pearl and UPS Academy, we have Ashoka University. Coming up next is Shiv Nagar University from Delhi NCR. The mentors are busy telling the students about different career courses and the prospects after class 12, undergraduate and postgraduate programs. We have the Prestige University on board over here. MIT World Peace University. Want to say something?
Thank you DPS for organizing this kind of topic here. It's a wonderful opportunity to like MIT World Peace University. We interact with the topmost students from the all Jabalpur cities, not only from the DPS. The DPS also invite us some nearby schools.
We have the Bennett University as well representing today on this Chandigarh University. We have the representatives talking with the students and mentors. Moving on to the next university, we have JP University, wherein the brochures, as you can see, sir, is
I think it's a great opportunity. We all get to learn a lot, and I was really impressed by how prepared these universities were. They really let me know a lot about my career, what I have to do next, and I'm looking forward to it.
while we meet the diva of GD Goenka University, Ma'am Pushpa. Over to you, ma'am.
Hi, it's been a pleasure being here, and we have met a lot of students, not only from the esteemed DPS Manna Road School, but students from KV and students from St. Joseph's. Students came with variety of queries, wanting to know about which fields to go after humanities, commerce or science. It's been wonderful having a word with them, talking to them, mentoring them. I'm very thankful to the DPS school, Manna Road, for inviting us, and I look forward to coming again in the future and do more meaningful interactions with the students. Thank you.